Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Do you use variable ND filters? Because today I'm going to review and test this tiny filter from KNF Concept. Let's go! Hey, hope you're doing well. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mattia. I'm a professional time-lapse and hyperlapse photographer living in Madrid. So, for disclosure, KNF sent me this filter for free to try out. They are not reviewing this video before and I have not been paid to do this video. This is my honest opinion about this filter. So the filter comes with a nice packaging. Inside you can find the filter case with some software protection, some instruction and the filter itself. The build quality feels pretty good. This one goes from ND2 to ND32, which is around 5 stops. I think it's a nice range to shoot video during the day and time-lapse before sunset or after sunrise. I chose the 49mm because I wanted to try it on my Samyang 24mm that I use to vlog and shoot in time-lapse as a backup, but I believe that the 67 and the 77mm should be working exactly the same. So if you don't know what a variable ND filter is, there are tons of videos on YouTube that explain it in details much better than I do. But in short, it's basically sunglasses for your lens that increase or decrease the amount of light that enter the lens. I would normally use fixed ND filters because the quality is better, but they can be limited. So I also like to use this one, the variable ND filters, in some condition. They are very versatile, as you can change the darkness of the glass only by turning the filter. However, there are a few common issues with variable ND. They can create an X pattern when they are at the maximum, and also there are true polarizer inside and it could create an ugly color cast sometimes. By the way, if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, now it's the perfect time to do it. And since you are there, do me a favor and smash the like button as well. Thank you, I really appreciate it. So I took this filter for a spin and shot a few videos and time-lapse to see how it's performing. This is how it looks with the ND and with the proper video settings. And then I did another test without the ND filter, so I had to increase the aperture, and you can see the blur behind is much less. Also, if you're not using the ND filter and you want to keep the f2.8, you need to increase the shutter speed and everything looks sharp and juddering. So you can see here the difference. Now let's see a couple of time-lapse. By using ND filter during the day time-lapse, it will allow you to get a longer shutter speed to create a blur on the movement, which makes look the time-lapse much more professional. And here you can see what I mean. Everything is sharp and not smooth. Here is another example with people and using the ND filter, and this is without. So ugly. So I think this filter performs very well, and it doesn't seem to get any X pattern as advertised, and only a bit extra vignette, but I could leave it there. It seems like there is a little bit of color shift on the warm side, but it's alright, it's not that bad. You can actually adjust it quite easily on post-production if you want to adjust it. So overall the quality is quite good, and I think it's also worth for the price. So if your budget is tight and you don't want to spend hundreds of euro for something like a Hoya or Polar Pro or Tiffen, then I think this filter will work perfectly. I think it's perfect for amateurs that want to get a professional looking filter, and also for professionals that don't want to spend a lot of money. So what do you think? Let me know in the comments if you think this filter is worth the price, or if you prefer to spend extra to get the next level filters. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao ciao!